In this video, pag-usapan natin yung Game 4 ng PBA Philippine Cup Finals na kung saan nagwagi ang TNT sa score na 110-87 kontra sa San Miguel. Tabla na po ang series, 2 games to 2. Magandang araw Pilipinas, I'm Ruben Terrado, I write sports for Spin.ph. Thank you for watching us on our YouTube channel at discuss natin yung nangyari sa Game 4. No? And again, we are tied at 2 games to 2 following this blowout win by TNT. No? Umpisa pa lang talagang pinakita ng TNT na they were determined to win this one. At actually before today's game, yesterday nakausap natin si Coach Chot Reyes with regards to anong tingin niya ang dapat mangyari in Game 4 upang makuha nila yung panalo. Sabi niya, yung last 2 games nila, yung 2 defeats nila against San Miguel, ang naging storya doon, they had a slow start and they were forced to mount rallies. Kailangan nilang maghabol every time during those 2 games. But this time around, pinakita nila yung kanilang usual form. They got off to a strong start and halos actually storya ng Game 4 yung first quarter na yun na kung saan ang ganda ng shooting nila, no? Thanks to Calvin Oftana who had 29 points and then 11 of 18 shooting from the field, 5 of 8 from 3-point range. So magandang panimula agad sa game na to si Calvin Oftana. We will check on his stats nung first quarter, pero grabe yung first quarter talaga ng TNT sa larong ito. First quarter field goals, 12 of 18 from the field, 68%. Grabe yung naging shooting nila nung first quarter pa lang, and San Miguel only 7 of 19 for 37%. And parang yan na yung naging storya the whole game with TNT shooting well all throughout the game. While San Miguel nag-struggle over the course of this game, di na sila nakabawi after this slow start. They eventually finished with 42% from field goal range, pero yung TNT maganda pa rin yung naging shooting, 50% until the end, no? At the end of the game, 50% sila. But ito yung talagang nag-set ng tone, yung kanilang offensive game in the first with 68% shooting from the field. And during the post-game press conference, sabi nga ni Coach Chot Reyes na even though kailangan nilang maglaro ng magandang depensa, aminado siya na they need to match San Miguel's offense as well. They need to score as well, no, itong TNT. So yun na nga yung kanilang ginawa in this game, shooting very well. And ayun, sabi nga ni Coach Chot prior to Game 4, they need to start well, and they did dito sa Game 4, no. And then defensively, maganda rin pinakita ng TNT. As we see in the stats, no, steals, turnover story, TNT had 4 steals that led to 6 turnovers for San Miguel, no. For San Miguel naman, they only had 1 steal and only 2 turnovers were forced by San Miguel in the first quarter. So isa rin yung dahilan kung bakit maganda yung simula ng TNT with their strong defense in the first quarter. In fact, yung points of turnovers nila in the first quarter alone, 12 na agad yung points of turnovers ng TNT, no? Comparing that to only 4 for San Miguel. So intensity pa lang, right from the get-go, no? Right from tip-off ay pinakita ng TNT yung kanilang intensity. They set the tone, they showed energy, at ayun na nga, no, they were able to maintain it until the end, where they were able to pick up the win and tie the series. And then Jordan Hedding, 17 points in this game, 1 of 1 from 4. Yung 4 na yan was a buzzer-beating shot from half court. So that was a reflection of how well TNT shot in this game. Even yung half-court shot ni Jordan Hedding pumasok, no, at the end of the first quarter. They led at the end of the first 35-18. And then eventually TNT led by as many as 35 points, no, 82-47. So, gano'n talaga, talagang mineintain nila yung ng TNT yung kalamangan. That 82-47 lead happened in the in the third quarter. So, talagang eventually talaga yung San Miguel, nung fourth, halos yung mga bench players na rin yung pinasok. So, that's a reflection of kung gaano kalaki yung naging tambak ng larong ito, no? And ito nga, no, this win by TNT, this is if my math is correct, 23-point win. This 23-point win by TNT is the most lopsided PBA Finals game since Game 5 of the 2024 Governors Cup, where TNT beat Barangay Ginebra 99-72. And of course, yung research na yan coming from the PBA Statistics GIF, Fidel Mangonon. So, again, crucial win for TNT because kung matalo dito ang TNT, likely ay they are mukhang mahirap nang ma-overcome yung 3-1 hole when you face a team like San Miguel na malalim ang bench and maraming firepower. So at least for this game, they were able to stay alive. Essentially, no, dahil yun nga, mahirap nang makabawi sa 3-1 hole. And now, we're back to square one, no? After that win by San Miguel na mataas yung moral nila with CJ Perez being the hero in that game, ay we're back to square one. Nakabawi itong TNT. And siguro let's take a look as well as the stats of San Miguel with Junmar Fajardo finishing with 18 points and 16 rebounds. Don Troliano with 13 points. And then si CJ Perez only had 11 points on 4 of 15 shooting from the field. And si Mota Otuan naman na maganda yung kanyang serye actually over the past 3 games. Shooting-wise, only 4 of 11, finishing with 9 points and 9 rebounds. No? Siguro dagdag na rin natin for TNT with Reynam Batak scoring 13 points, 5 rebounds, and 3 assists. Simon Enciso contributing 8, and Kelly Williams bouncing back from his, I believe, scoreless siya actually nung game 3. He was able to bounce back and score 8 points, and he also grabbed 3 rebounds in Game 4. So now we move to Game 5. We look forward to it. That will happen on Friday. Gaganapin sa Inares Center sa Antipolo. Another crucial game for both teams. And the winner will move closer to claiming the Philippine Cup title. Alright, so dyan na po nagtatapos yung ating recap of Game 4 where TNT won 110-87 against San Miguel. And pagpasensya nyo na pala, medyo wala tayong video about Game 4. Nagkaroon lang tayo ng konting emergency. But ayun nga, no, we made this video para lang ma-recap natin yung Game 4. So bawi na lang tayo sa Game 5. No? We will have interviews for Game 5. And ayun, read our stories sa spin.ph and subscribe to our channel sa YouTube and like us on Facebook na rin, follow us on Twitter and Instagram for more sports updates from my end. Alright, thank you for watching us on our recap of Game 4 and we will see you next time for Game 5.